Hey y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making crawfish and shrimp fettuccine. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need crawfish, shrimp, garlic, yellow onion, green bell pepper, celery, butter, half and half, Velveeta cheese, fettuccine pasta, rotel, cream of mushroom, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, paprika, and shrimp and crab boil. Begin by dicing a half of yellow onion. Dice a green bell pepper. Dice 2 stalks of celery. Mince 6 cloves of garlic. Cube 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. Season peeled and deveined shrimp with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Boil fettuccine pasta according to the package. In a Dutch oven, melt 1 stick of butter. Add the trinity of onion, bell pepper, and celery and saute for 5 minutes or until translucent. Add minced garlic. Add rotel. Add shrimp and cook for 2 minutes. Add crawfish. Add cream of mushroom. Add 1 cup of shrimp and crab boil. Season with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and paprika, and mix well. Lower the heat and add 8 ounces of Velveeta cheese. Add 16 ounces of half and half and allow to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Turn off the heat and mix in the noodles. Place in an oven-safe dish and bake at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And there you have it, crawfish and shrimp fettuccine. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.